Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. My name is Chomo Nyema. I got your mail and on your inquiries concerning our product Trello because you said your company wants to expand its staff strength from about 50 to 150 in the next 12 months. So you want to find a good fit, a product that will serve your company's communication and project management needs. And you want to know about Trello, and you raised some concerns. And I want to say that Trello will be a good fit for your company. In terms of you going for the annual free plan, I wouldn't advise you to go for a free plan for a whole year, even though you can. Why? Because the features and robustness of Trello are on the paid plans. So I'm going to show you a slide. I'll just show you a slide comparing the different plans that Trello has, different payment plans that Trello has, or service plans that Trello has. By the time you look at it, you'll see why it will be better for you to go on a paid plan. With regards to the costs, I believe that if you want to go for a free plan for a whole year, I mean that means that um, you're looking at the cost. And you're going to have some cost savings because Trello is cheaper than what the other competitors we have in the market, like Asana. For instance, if you go on the, let me just minimize my page so that you have a look. For instance, if you go on the these are the plans that we have. We have on the free plan you have this, so you just have this features. While on the business class plan you have all of this, except this last two. And then on the enterprise plan you have all of this. So if you go on the free plan, you're just going to get this, which I wouldn't advise you because you're going to miss out on all of this. And then in terms of the cost, if you go on the business class plan, for instance, you have about $10.99 for Asana. That's the cost per user per month if you pay on annually. But on Trello here, it's just $10 per month, per user per month. And then if you pay annually, you find out that you're making some cost savings. Then with regards to the reviews you said you got some reviews on Glassdoor and that it didn't tell well about our company. I will want you to have a look at another review here. So these are reviews from Capterra, G2 Crowd, and Trust Radius. We got reviews on both Asana and Trello from this same companies, and the ratings are the same: 4.5 out of 5 and 4.5 out of 5. But I want you to have a look at the number of people reviewing us. Trello is reviewed by 9,000 people, and Asana is reviewed by 6,000 people. So we have more users, but it doesn't mean that I'll make light of your complaints. I'll have to escalate your complaints regarding the Glassdoor reviews to our total quality management team so that they can have a look at Glassdoor and see what the complaints are there for. And then finally, you said, why should you come on Trello? Like I said, Trello is cheaper. It's more intuitive for people who are non-tech, not tech savvy. And then with regards to assigning a task to multiple people, you can do that on Trello. You can do that on Asana. Yes, Asana is also good, but when it comes to, if you want to assign a task to different people to have at the same time, you can't do it on Asana. You can only do that on Trello. And Trello will also serve you apart from project management, like for your communication. It does a lot of things other than just project management. You can use it for your communication needs, which was one of the things you said you wanted from your brief you sent to me. I hope to hear more from you, probably through email, or you can give me a call. Thank you.